I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Apple Notes. We'll dive into the fundamental differences between these two popular note-taking and organizational tools. Notion provides a highly flexible and customizable workspace, perfect for complex projects and team collaboration. On the other hand, Apple Notes offers a simple, integrated experience, especially beneficial for those within the Apple ecosystem. We'll explore their unique strengths and weaknesses, helping you determine which platform best suits your personal or professional needs and workflow. When it comes to core features, Notion stands out with its incredibly versatile block-based editor. You can easily integrate databases, project trackers, and even entire wikis into your workspace. Apple Notes, while simpler, offers robust features for quick capture, including sketching with an Apple Pencil, document scanning, and creating basic checklists. Notion's collaboration tools are far more advanced, allowing for real-time teamwork, whereas Apple Notes focuses on straightforward sharing for individual notes. Regarding usability, Apple Notes is incredibly user-friendly, offering an almost zero learning curve. You can open it and start typing immediately, making it perfect for quick thoughts or simple lists. Notion, however, presents a steeper learning curve. Its extensive customization and powerful features mean it takes time to truly understand and leverage its full potential. While you can begin with basic notes, unlocking advanced functionalities like linked databases and complex project management requires a dedicated effort to learn its system. So, which one is better? Apple Notes shines for quick, personal notes, simple checklists, and anyone deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem. It's fantastic for capturing ideas on the go. Notion, conversely, is the powerhouse for complex projects, team collaboration, and building comprehensive knowledge bases or personal operating systems. If you need a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace for managing diverse information and tasks, Notion is likely your champion. Your ideal choice hinges entirely on your specific requirements and how you prefer to organize your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.